As a wig beginner, this is your first week, you're excited. You want to get the bust down 30 inches. You want something that is very full, like 4 bundles or 5 bundles. You've seen celebrity wear wigs that is really full and dense. And you're wondering, oh my god, this is my first week. Let me just go all out. No, no. Step one is understanding your wigs. We come in different type of styles and lengths, and as a beginner, you want something that will serve you and it's going to be very easy to install. We have closure wigs. They come in 5x5 lace closure. They come in 6x6. They come in 7x7. But although they are lace closures, sometimes when they come with big closures, you have to be very careful as a beginner because sometimes a lace closure that is big, like the 6x6 that I'm wearing in this video, or the 7x7, sometimes they actually require the work of a frontal. So you make sure you want to stay away from those. And another type of wigs are the glueless wigs, like one I'm wearing at the moment. Is a very beginner friendly wig. You can just pop it right out. You can wear it and they're perfect for every day. They're perfect for every day. They don't need any type of glue. So this is a glueless wig and it's a 6x6 lace closure. Glueless wigs are perfect for you if you don't want to deal with glue. In terms of hair types, there are 3 types of hair. There's synthetic, there's human hair blend, and there is raw hair that's never been processed. If you're a beginner, try to get raw hair. What I'm wearing at the moment is raw hair. With raw hair, it requires minimal manipulation, it requires minimal styling, and it requires less work. It means that when you style your wig, when you're using raw hair, you can maintain the style for as long as possible compared to when you're working with like hair blend, where when you style it on Monday, by Wednesday you're styling it again, or by Tuesday you're probably styling it again. So you want to lean towards getting human hair or raw hair that has never been processed. Step two is choosing the right size and fit. Maybe you walk into a store and you see a nice wig. Try to avoid shopping from a rack when it comes to wigs because 9 times out of 10, that wig is either too big or too small for you. And if you're a beginner, dealing with a wig that don't fit, it can be a hassle. Look for a wig that have an adjustable strap that you can pull to fit or an elastic band and try to get your wig custom made. Like look for a stylist that can take your head measurements, listen to your preferences in terms of the fit and the sizing, and get something that's tailored to your head size. It's going to make your life a lot easier and it's going to make installs quicker and easy as well. Choosing the best length for you and density. I know. As a wig beginner, this is your first week, you're excited. You want to get the bust down 30 inches. You want something that is very full, like 4 bundles or 5 bundles. You've seen celebrity wear wigs that is really full and dense. And you're wondering, oh my god, this is my first week. Let me just go all out. No, no. Because even as a wig stylist myself, I try to stay away from wigs that are too long because it's a lot of work that is very unnecessary. So as a beginner, lean towards hair that is like mid-length. Anything from shoulder to mid-back is perfect for you if you're a beginner. So once you test the waters a bit and you're comfortable with wigs, you can go longer and fuller. In terms of density, I would say nothing more than 3 bundles. So that's about 180 to 200% density. 2 to 3 bundles if you're a beginner. What I'm wearing right now is 2 bundles with a 6x6 lace closure. Yep. It looks full because obviously this is raw hair. With raw hair, the bundles come really thick. They come really thick from tip to bottom. So you're getting all your 100 grams. Choosing the right lace. Now, let's talk. There are 2 types of lace that I feel like is best for a beginner, in my opinion. Transparent lace or HD lace. Transparent lace is perfect for you if you want a glueless look because it looks natural, it's transparent, but it has a bit of weight to it. So you can wear it as a glueless. Now, HD lace, although you can still wear glueless, but in my opinion, HD lace is very soft. So over time, you might not be able to wear it as a glueless because it frays easily. Although it's very light, but it's perfect for installs. Maybe you want to call a hairstylist to install for you. I find that HD lace is perfect for that. But if you want to go through the glueless route, I'll say transparent lace. Now that you know what wig to get and what wigs to stay away from, the last step now is choosing the right wig vendor to buy your wigs or your wig store. Now, this one, if you're a beginner, try to stay away from Chinese companies that are shipping wigs from you from factories. They don't come customized at all. Wigs that you have to do a lot of manipulation to when you get them. You have to bleach the knot yourself. You have to customize yourself. You have to cut the lace yourself. You have to do a lot of manipulation, even styling the wig yourself. You want to get something that is customized and ready to wear. And this means that the wig is ready to wear right out of the box. The only thing you need to do is hot comb your wigs at the top to make it flat. As a beginner, that's what you should be looking out for. They'll come to you with customized hairline, with bleached knots, pattern already done for you, with already come styled. If you purchase the wig from me, for example, my wig comes styled, ready to wear, not bleached, hairline customized. I do everything for you. I put the part for you. I can cut the lace for you, style it for you, straighten it for you if that's what you want. If you want a bob, I'm gonna cut it. Your wig come ready to wear. And on top of that, when you purchase a wig from me, you get 6 months of free maintenance. It means that I'm going to maintain your wig for you at no extra charge to you. I'm going to wash and style your wig. I'm going to do a color refresh. If the elastic band is too tight, I'm going to fix it. If anything happens to your wig, maybe you have a concern, maybe a track came loose, I'm going to fix it at no extra charge to you for 6 months. If you're a beginner, those are the kind of things that you want to go for to make your life a lot easier, so that even after 6 months, you know what your wig should look like. If you eventually take it to another stylist, for example, you know what your wig should look like. Vendors that will sell you a wig and you can't go back to them for tips. You can't ask them questions on your wigs. For example, maybe you buy your wig all the way in China. They have no type of customer service. Sometimes there's nothing wrong with the wig. It's just that you need help. You need tips. You need some guidance on how to style, manipulate, how to wash the wig, the kind of product that you need to use. So in terms of aftercare, maintenance, you need a vendor that is available for you for tips, for help. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And another thing you want to keep in mind as a beginner is you want to consider your lifestyle. Maybe you're looking for something for work. Maybe you're looking for something for parties. Or maybe you're a dancer and you need something that is lightweight. Make sure you think about your lifestyle when you're shopping for wigs. It's very important. So for this part of the video, I've come up with two types of clients. Imaginary clients. Let's just assume that these are actual people. So for the first client, I have Tola. Tola is a beginner. She's been wearing sewing for all her life, pretty much. Tola works a 9 to 5. Tola has no time for installs whatsoever. And Tola is looking for a low maintenance look, something that she can just put on in the morning and go. Then for our second client, we have Sharon. Sharon is a beginner as well, has always been on short hairstyles. She's been wearing short hair for a long time, but she wants to venture into wigs. Sharon is a bit of a party goer. She wants something that is very eye-catching, something that can turn heads. And Sharon has time for installs, an hour, 2 hours before our party to sit down for a professional stylist to install a wig for her. For Tola, I would recommend something that is short. I would recommend a bob for Tola. Tola works a 9 to 5, so I would recommend something that is natural in terms of color. I would recommend maybe a 1B or like a chocolate brown. I'm going to recommend a 5x5 lace closure for Tola. For Sharon, Sharon is the life of the party. I'll go for like a 13x6 lace frontal. I'll go for like an ombre, or something light around the face that fades into a nice ombre. I'll keep the light bits on the ends for Sharon so that when she dances, her hair can catch some light. I'll go for something like mid-length, say like 20 inches or an 18 inches. Nothing too long. Don't forget that Sharon is still a beginner. We don't want 30 inches hair that is touching her bum. Just make sure that you're thinking about your lifestyle when it comes to choosing wigs. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm so excited. This video was fun. I love talking to you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.